Hi everyone! Recently I tried to do a new character kit reveal style, and basically the feedback was that you guys actually like my commentary, which was surprising to me, but I'll take it as a compliment and do the commentary for this one. So I'll just work my way down through the pile for character kit 15. This is a total spoiler if you were hoping to be surprised. So this is the Sarasa Multi 4+1 in Sumikko Gurashi design. This is a limited edition that is only for sale in Japan. So it'll only be in our character kit. It won't be for sale on the store. It is refillable with any Sarasa Select refill. So if you like the Sarasa Select Custom Multi, this is basically the same thing with a little bit kind of like more comfortable body because it's got the rubber grip, and of course it's a limited edition Sumikko Gurashi. So if you like Sarasa Select, I think you'd really like this. If you decide to get the kit, you might want to think about how you'll want to customize your pen. I mean, it obviously comes filled with a pencil unit and 4 inks. The pencil unit is fixed. You're not going to be able to remove that, but the 4 different ink colors you could totally change up. Yeah, so it is the standard colors of black, blue, red, and green. I forget that I actually have to mention that because for me it's so common, but it's not necessarily a given. So it's those standard colors it comes pre-filled with. This would be super fun for color coding your notes. I kind of went with a whole back to school theme for this character kit. So let's put this aside. Now, since it includes a pencil of sorts, since there's a pencil unit in here, I did want to include an eraser. And this is a very cute Winnie the Pooh eraser by Sunstar Japan. It's a very nice plastic eraser, so it'll last a long time, erase very cleanly, not gonna rip your pages unless you're really vigorous. This is probably the most exciting thing in the kit for some people. These are 3 limited edition Japan only mild liners with the Rilakkuma character. So they're part of the standard pastel series. The pastel pink, pastel blue-green, and pastel yellow. I have many videos on mild liners if you don't know what they are or you want to see swatches. But just like the regular mild liners, they are dual-ended. So if you know you like mild liners and Rilakkuma, I think you will enjoy this. You get all 3 colors. Another great thing for studying. I'm gonna talk about this one next. So these are name labels. This is Cinema Roll. And let me show you how you use these. So I love these for labeling my son's things when I send him off to school. Of course, you could use them to label anything, your water bottle, umbrella, just about anything that you don't want to lose. So the way this works is you're going to stick this whole sticker on whatever you want to label. You're going to lift this little flap up. You're going to write on your label, probably with the name marker that comes in this character kit. Then you're going to unpeel. Do you say unpeel? You're going to peel back the backing here. And this is actually a lamination sticker. So that's going to ensure that your item is going to remain labeled and the name is not going to rub off. These are awesome, and there are so many included on here for you. So I think these would be great for back to school time for either you or if you have children going back to school. Definitely want to keep one of these for myself. I can't tell you how many water bottles we lose to my son's school. So as I mentioned, you do get this name marker. This is dual-ended, a like extra fine point and a fine point. And it is Winnie the Pooh, and he actually matches your eraser. Name markers are great from labeling anything from, you know, plastic items to clothing items. It's not gonna rub off. All right, and a couple more things here. We have a Chibi Maruko-Chan notebook. This notebook, I think it's by Apica, if I remember correctly. Showa, it's by Showa. No, wait. Is that right? Yes, it's by Showa. It's Japanese made paper, so it's really nice, really smooth. Chibi Maruko-Chan, first she was a manga character, and then she was an anime character, and actually she's known around the world. She's a funny little school child, and I thought this limited edition notebook was perfect for back to school. It's B6 size, so actually it'll fit in a lot of purses. You don't have to carry your stuff around in a backpack necessarily. And then finally, a Sumikko Gurashi friction stamp. These are erasable, just like the regular friction. Erasable with friction, or of course, what that means is heat is erasing it. So you don't want to stamp up your planner or your homework pages and leave them in a hot car because your ink might disappear. But you'll get one of 6 different designs, and let me show you what some of these Sumikko Gurashi stamp designs are, because I have all of the different ones here to show you. So you'll be getting, one of these. So if you're a collector of friction stamps and you like the characters, this might be a fun character kit for you. In the next character kit, we'll actually be having a Didakuma friction stamp. All right, well, please let me know if you have any questions about the character kit. If you have any recommendations for characters you'd like to see in the kit, I love to hear them. I try to make these, these kits be something that you guys are going to be excited about. And so in order to do that, you need to tell me what you're excited about. All right, I hope you have a wonderful back to school shopping period and have a great week. Bye-bye.